In this month's lesson on Inspired to Paint, we are going to learn how to paint cobalt blue vase along with some pink roses. In our concept lesson, I'm going to share with you ways that I have found that make painting colored glass easier. We'll take that information into our full-length lesson and paint this beautiful painting of cobalt blue vase with pink roses from my garden. I'll also share with you the tips and techniques that I have learned along the way that help make painting roses easier. That was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're inspired to paint. Thanks.